here are the ingredients. We have the crab meat, minced garlic, onion leaves rather. This is the 2 tablespoon cornstarch, and we have here the lobster flavored. It's actually a fish, and I have here the corn and butter. That's not sponsored. So those are my ingredients, and also chicken flavor for the chicken soup base. I melted the butter with a little mix of a little olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Add the minced garlic. Now we're gonna add crab meat. Yes, I find it very fishy smell with the crab meat, so I added it with the garlic and butter to remove the strong fishy smell. And then we will add the lobster flavored Alaska pollock. This is actually a lobster flavored wild Alaska pollock. Now it smells good. No more fishy smell. Now we will add the corn. We'll give it a minute or so before we will add the water and the chicken soup base powder. So I added 4 cups water to that 4 tablespoon chicken soup base. So we will just let this boil for a minute or two, and then we will add the cornstarch with 1/4 cup water, and then we will stir in the egg. I actually added salt and pepper to taste. So now I'll just wait for this to boil. Okay, that's the egg, 1 egg and 1/4 water with 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Okay, now it's boiling. Okay, we will let it boil or simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes before we will add the cornstarch with water, and then later on the egg. Okay, 3 minutes have passed. Now we're gonna have to lower the fire, and then we're gonna add the cornstarch with water. We have to keep on stirring so there will be no lumps. And then we will let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Now we'll have to add the egg. And then the onions. Now our corn and crab soup is done. Ingredients would be rice, carrots, garlic, green peas, spam, pieces of spam, eggs, and chicken breasts.